First, select the right rear light and press Ctrl-Command-J, then select a black brush and paint light. Now go to Edit, define brush preset, set a name for it. You can see that your circle brush transforms into the form of your rear light. Good. Now you can delete layer with dark light. Then create a new layer, switch color to red and set flow to 25%. Draw a line, that will be your light trail. Repeat all process with the left rear light. While I am doing so, don't forget to like this video and post a comment. At the end, all you need is to blur your light trail using Gaussian blur. Light trails are on the photo, but something is missing. The light should be also on the road, so take a smooth brush and paint some lights under your light trails. Now it's perfect. See other Photoshop tutorials here. Happy shooting!